Is this from the cow? Hey, you're recording me?
You got it, dude. Good morning, dude.
Hey!
Hey! Okay. Hey, you guys are both. You guys are recording me?
What do you mean?
Well, fuck you both now! I need. Brad, can I make a. Wait, can I have this?
You want that?
I mean, I want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Right.
You got fucking niggers recording me right now?
You can make one. You can make one if you make one for me.
If I what? Wait, you have one right there that you penis Wayne? Why are you so close, John Wayne? Ask me that. He's recording Brandon now.
It's a war. It's a war.
There's a wall with a pillow.
You don't have anything to record with, my man.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We're in the 1980s and there's no cameras on the. Hey, nigger, get the fuck out of here. I just want to let you guys know right now I'm not even drunk. Like, I'm sober, completely sober, and I'm doing all of this right now. So, yeah, you niggers have fun. Dude, when you stand still for like a second, you feel sober, and then you walk, and you're just like, wait a second, I'm fucking drunk. I need a hunk of loogie. Yo, Will, you should do something, dude. This is kind of gay. Just watching fucking faggots playing some baseball. Baseball!
What do you want to do then?
Baseball!
What do you want to do then?
I don't know. You tell me. Dude. Wait,
This is historic.
Dude, this might sound gay, but come to the... Listen.
What?
Come to the bathroom and stare at yourself in the mirror, and you'll just be like, what the fuck's going on?
Fuck you.
Seriously, come with me. It's fun. It's a fun adventure. It's like...
This is illegal, dude.
Yo, come here. Is it so weird?
This is illegal. Oh my god! Oh, run! Yes!